Say good morning. Say howdy, y'all. Y'all, she looks so cute in her outfit. That's her shirt. Ooh, be careful. Drink your juice. That's her shirt and her shorts and her boots. But yeah, y'all, happy Sunday. Good morning. If y'all saw my last vlog, I was telling y'all that today we're going to go to Raleigh to celebrate my niece's birthday. Her birthday is tomorrow, but we're going to celebrate her birthday today. So happy birthday, Michaela. We love you, girl. We about to come and celebrate your 10th birthday with you. Y'all, she is about to be 10 years old. That is crazy. Like, I've been an auntie for 10 years. That is so crazy. But yeah, that's where we're going to now. And the theme is cowgirl. So I got my cowgirl hat. Y'all, I got this from Rose's yesterday. I was in Rose's to get some trash bags, and then I saw this hat, and I was like, that's perfect. It was $9. So yeah, I got this hat. I got this cowgirl shirt. I got this from Amazon. I got it from Amazon, this shirt. And then Nyla got her outfit. So yeah, y'all, I feel like my voice is dry. Let me drink my water. But yeah, that's what we're doing now. My sister is calling me. But we just stopped by Huddle House and got some breakfast. I got Nyla some bacon, and I got a turkey sausage omelet. And it has tomatoes, green peppers, and onions. And I got whole wheat toast and some grits. I'll show y'all. And then we went to McDonald's. I got her tea, and I got me some water. So yeah, y'all, that is the move. Miguel, he's putting gas in the car, and we about to head on to Raleigh. Oh, her birthday party is being held at this horse farm. The farm is called Dead Broke Farms in Raleigh, North Carolina. They do horse riding lessons and all that. So Nyla is gonna ride a horse today. My sister got a horse for all the kids, so they're gonna ride the horse. My sister said she got like a small horse for Nyla, so that should be fun. So yeah, it's her birthday party is taking place at a horse farm, so that should be interesting, y'all. I'm in CVS now, y'all, looking for my niece a birthday card. The only thing she wanted for her birthday was money. But she said she just wants some money so she can go to her store and spend it how she wants to. So I'm gonna get her some money, but I'm gonna get her a card, you know, to put the money in. So yeah, y'all, I'm at CVS. These are the cards. It'd be great if I can find a card with a cowgirl on it, but I don't see no cowgirl birthday cards. So I'm just gonna look in the niece section. Birthday, niece. Ooh, this one's pretty, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna get this one, y'all. This one's cute. So got the card, now I need to go to my bank and get the cash out. We are here. Y'all, look at the horses. Look at the horses. Oh my God. I see my mom and my sister, they over there setting up. But y'all, look at the horses. This is so cool. But yeah, y'all, we are here. They over there. This is nice. Huh? Oh, look at this. Michaela! Happy birthday! You look so cute! Oh, look at that horse! Oh, this is nice over here. Yeah, nice little setup. Hey, Mom! Huh? That's Nyla's? Hey, Mom.
Hey, baby.
Ooh. Say hey to you two.
Hi, you too. Okay, so you're going to take the cake out here and put it right here.
Y'all just now setting up. Hey, Kiana. Oh, this is nice. Y'all, look at the horses. We got to go fill out a waiver to ride the horse. So that's what I'm doing now. Hi, horsey. Some big old horses. Oh, like doo-doo.
You don't have a choice, but are you wearing a helmet or not? I don't know. I haven't decided. They're over there, but it's your. I give you 260.
Look at the earrings my sister got me, y'all. They're so cute. I'm about to put them on now. Cowgirl. Cow boots. Kind of like hers. That's my sister's earring. Look at her. Cute. Okay. Oh, look at the boots. Oh, cute. Y'all, look at this little horse. Hi. I like your hair. Oh, it's so little. You see the little horse cat? It's so cute. Look at his hair. This just a little horse or a pony? Oh, it's getting up. Hi. Hi. You're so cute. What are you doing?
Can we pat her?
Look, not her boots. You put bug spray on Nyla? Luckily, I don't feel no bugs right now or no flies or anything. Cake look good. Got a horse balloon. Why didn't I blow it up?
That she's smart. She looked at the horse, then she went into the horse picture on the thing.
Oh yeah, she know horses.
She is smart.
This is nice, the tablecloth. We should get this on Amazon. Got the napkins. That is so cute. I like that. Why didn't blow up the balloon though?
What balloon?
That one, Nyla got her hand.
It was blown up. One of them went away. They said thing don't go in the air. I had one and it went over the fence. I don't go in the fence and do that thing.
Nice little setup out here.
That is nice. They ready to ride? Oh, okay.
You ready to ride, Ma? Get it up. Fuck 'em. Fuck 'em. Look at you like a cowboy. I ain't getting on no horse. Them horses, they look nice, but they crazy. They can take off any minute.
I'm sure. You getting on one? No.
Why not, girl?
Why not? You look like a cowgirl.
Ride like a cowgirl. Look at the cowgirl.
Look, it really though.
Woo! Nyla, look at the bubble.
Bubble, mama. Bubble.
Look, Nyla.
Yeah.
Bubble. Gotta get him.
Yeah. She trying to get the whole gun.
Go
Go, Kyrie.
Go get the gun from Lola. Tell her stop playing with it and get you the bubble.
Ooh. I like that gun.
All the bubbles. Okay, here, hold on. Leave you some bubbles.
Yeah.
For a smaller kid. Yeah. Push the button.
Is it upside down though?
No, that's how you do it.
Oh.
Push the button.
Use your finger. There you go.
That is so
You
neat.
gotta move it around too. When you press the button, you gotta move it around. Go get the bubble.
Woo! Oh, bubbles just popped in my mouth.
Pick out that bag here, Chris.
You see the bubbles, Mama?
Hold on.
Yeah, look at the bubbles.
Go ahead, mash the button.
You gotta share.
Shoot the bubble.
Shoot it.
Get out of there. Get out of there. Give it here. Give it here. How you gonna put it like this? Huh?
It is in there.
No, you push the button.
Get a wig. Did you give your sister a wig?
No. I don't know how she get that wig.
Yeah, because she been wearing that other one. Keep her hat on. Because they keep coming on. She said she needs some braids.
She kept telling me, you got a wig I can have.
Yeah.
Where you get that wig at, Chris?
What you do with that one?
This is a quick weave I made.
you do to it?
Oh.
Mama, the button's on the film.
It looked very newish. That's why.
Oh, I got it.
It looked very newish. What you do to it? Oh, okay. You brought it back to life, girl. That's so good. You brought it back to life.
Well, take out that hat. What it looking like?
Nah,
What is that? Keith?
That's why she's glad that.
Bubbles for everybody.
That's why she's glad she.
Woo! Look at the bubbles.
Bubbles for everybody. Whee!
Look, Nyla.
Gotta get 'em.
Get the bubbles.
Got it?
All right, let's go. The birthday girl gonna do it. I'm out.
I have a few rules before we go, okay?
Okay.
For your safety, my safety, and the horse's safety. So if you guys listen up for me just real quick, all right? My name is Emma, and then Ashley will be going with us as well. And then we'll need one parent to walk with us. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kids, right? Is that it? Are we waiting on anybody else?
No.
That's it.
That's it? All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to go 2 rounds of 3. So we'll do the birthday kid first, and then whoever else wants to go with us. And we'll figure that out in a second. I have 3 rules when it comes to being out here, okay?
Hold on, I gotta listen to this.
Just so that, like I said, our safety, y'all's safety, and the horse's safety. My first rule is please do not run. It scares the horses, and if you trip and fall, it is not good, okay? And like I said, we don't want to scare the horses. They're very good horses, but it's just a just in case, okay? Second rule. No screaming. Wave hi, call to the camera.
Hi. That was a video.
Yeah, if you will. Are you good?
Y'all, this breeze feel good because it is hot out here. So they're taking turns riding the horses. So 3 of the little kids is going now. What you doing, Ma? So 3 of the girls is going now, and then 3 more are gonna go. Nyla, she's gonna go the next round riding the horse. Miguel is gonna be there with her, holding her, so that's good. I was telling them that Nyla, she does have autism, and it was like, oh, okay, because one of the rules was you can't scream while you're on the horse, and I said, well, I can't guarantee that she's not gonna scream. So she was like, I'll put her with, I think the horse name is Steve. She was like, I trust Steve with her. He has 1 eye. So they giving Nyla a 1-eye horse, y'all. But she said, what you need, Ma? No, that's not Doritos. And you're not going to eat all the Doritos. My sister got some Doritos, and Nyla's trying to eat the whole bag. But my sister and my mom went to go get the food They're having pizza from Domino's, so they went to get the food. 3 of the kids is riding the horse, and we're just waiting for our turn.
Ride number 1 or 2?
Girl, 1. Food here. What a wing. Oh, we got a chicken. Yeah, that was named Bunny. Yeah.
Look at Auntie Lola. Say cheese.
You heard the boy here, Jessica, for her boy?
I recorded it.
Oh, you recorded?
Ooh, my sister got Nyla in her gift bag. Nyla likes it.
She calmed her down from that horse.
Y'all. Oh, Nyla did not like the horse.
Lord, they bring Nyla back because he was scared of horses. I hear her scream all the way out here.
Push it again, Joy. Push it again.
You know why I tell you to push it?
She likes it.
I'm trying to get out of the box, I think, yeah.
I get that when we get home. Ooh, that breeze feel good. How was it, Mom?
We was gone for a while. I don't even know how many steps. We had an intermission for a minute or two because the one that lady that was with us, she's asthmatic.
Oh, God.
Really?
The one that had we was on Malibu, and then Carter was on Bacardi.
The horse.
The other one's on the one with what, Bunny?
Yeah, and then Kiana was on Bunny. But we had to take an intermission just for them and
Calm down.
oh, your hands are dirty? Okay. Go ahead on the Lola. There you go. She ain't doing nothing now.
And I'm just thinking, like, back in the day, like, how they ride horses for that long?
They did. They ain't had no choice.
You ride one of them?
Horse ride.
How you walk?
I'm going to ride one day.
You didn't ride horses back in your day, Mom?
What about donkey?
But we had horses around there where we stayed, but I ain't never ride now.
No.
You can go again.
Now we had a
you
bull.
tell your
My daddy
mama,
was a bull. My daddy had a bull. He cut him up
Bring
in meat.
him.
Oh. You ain't had that. You ain't not had that. Oh Lord, here's some crack. Here's some crack.
Hi, Mom.
Here's some crack.
Oh, Lord, they're going to Hi, Mama. Nyla, come running. You want to get on the swing? Get on that one. Hi, Mom.
Don't hit her, Jay. She's behind.
Nyla. Put on the horsey, Miguel. Come on, her boots. Her boots. Oh, you get on that horse, but not the real horse. Lord, y'all. We put her on that horse. Nyla was not having it. Hi, Mom. Look at you. Hi, Mom. Oh, look at Nyla. On the horse. On the horsey. Huh? Look at you, Mom. Yeah. Hi. You like the horse, Mommy. Hi.
Hey, Nyla. Hi. Going to 99.
She looks sleepy.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody ready to say happy birthday to birthday girl.
Oh.
Come on, cook my tongue.
Leave it.
Everybody ready? Hurry up, boy.
Put your hand over. You don't know the light?
Come on, Chris. Happy birthday to
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Michaela. Happy birthday to you. Happy. Okay. Okay. Now that one. Thank you. Happy birthday. Woo! That's a popper?
That's a popper? You gonna do it? You gonna pop it, Michaela? Michaela finna pop the popper. Get it, Michaela. Not on the cake now. Yeah, please. Okay. Please. Okay.
We're going to leave in a little bit.
Yeah, okay, that's how we're cutting the cake. We had 3 hours out here. Ah, look at my oldest daughter. Oh, she vlogging, y'all.
I missed it. Okay. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, but it's not real.
Oh, that's cool. Yours don't light up. Hers light up.
Mine's, we are.
I've had that one.
All
I'm going to play on the swing.
And then I have a ring pop, fruit roll-ups, and
Ooh, did you put fruit roll-ups in
this
mine?
right here, and
Okay, you
sticker.
put fruit roll-ups in mine?
Yeah, that's got everybody got the same thing besides some things for.
The doll.
So yeah, everybody got the same thing besides Nyla and Kyrie. And Kyrie got
I'm
mostly
giving
the same
this
thing.
heart.
I got
Chris
it.
and me.
Aww.
Got this.
Aww. Thank you, Michaela.
So much.
Give me a hug. We about to leave.
I love it.
Love you.
What's this?
Happy birthday.
Thank you. This is why I love you.
Happy birthday. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye, Crib. Bye, Lanisha. You leaving too, girl?
Yes, girl.
You can finally snatch off this wig, girl.
Girl, I can.
Girl, I'm about to. Bye.
Snatch off this wig.
Bye-bye. You too.
Safe travel.
Thank you. Okay, y'all, the party is over. Y'all, we had such a good time. It was so nice out there and seeing the horses. Nyla, we tried to put her on a horse, y'all, but she wasn't having it. Nyla did not like the horse, so she didn't ride a horse, but all the other kids, they rode a horse and they had fun. And yeah, we ate, we cut the cake, we gave her presents, and now we're out of there. We was there for a good like 2 hours and a half or something like that. So yeah, it was a nice experience for them. They really liked the horse, especially Michaela. She went around like twice, so yeah. My sister gave everybody a gift bag, gave Nyla a gift bag. This bag is so cute. It has a horse on it. And she packed it with stuff that Nyla likes. Y'all saw her playing with that little singing flower. My sister gave that to her. She know that Nyla likes bacon. So she gave her this squishy bacon. I thought it was really cute. She gave her a cup. This pink changing color cup. And some other stuff. What was this? This thing right here. Oh, this cocoa melon wand. And Rice Krispie treat. So that was nice of her. I really like this bag. It went with the theme. But yeah, y'all, my phone is about to die. We are headed back home. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog off here. We're just gonna go home, take baths, cause we're all sweaty, cause it was hot and sweaty out there. And Nyla was playing in the dirt. Look at Nyla. I am so glad I didn't wash her hair yesterday. I was gonna wash her hair, but I was like, we're gonna be on a farm, so there's no point. So she gonna get a good bath when we get home, and I'm gonna wash her hair Tuesday. That's why she's rocking her puff, because I need to wash her hair. Yeah. But honestly, once we get this hit the road good, she'll probably be knocked out. She's tired. She played a lot. But yeah, y'all, thank you so much for coming along with us. If y'all can leave say happy birthday to my niece in the comments. I know she reads my comments, y'all, so I know she will appreciate that. And yeah, if you stayed to the end, you are the real MVP, and I love you, and I will definitely see y'all in the next one. Bye.